Welcome back to Ben's Garage. Bit of running repairs today. I was out cutting the grass yesterday and I was like, kept looking behind me thinking, this mower has turned into a bit of a plough. The turf was coming up and rolling over like it was a turfing machine. It's not a turfing machine, it is in fact a mower. And I will show you, but I think these are obviously wear and tear items. The bits on the sides, it runs on those, and yeah, we've worn them out. We got this tractor, mower and rotavator in 2019, I believe. Yeah, we did, October 2019, maybe, well, anyway. So we've had it a while, we've cut a hell of a lot of grass with it. So yeah, it could probably do a new set of blades, and we're gonna see if I can just flip these over for now. Get another 6 years out of them. By then, who knows, the mower's probably finished, but there's always something here at Ben's Garage on the farm. Anyway, I'll bring you in close, let's have a quick look. This piece here, I can get my finger through. Should be like that up there. It's all come off at the bottom as well. That's the actual part of the mower, but this is supposed to be sort of like level with it. Anyway, for now I'm just going to see if I can unbolt that, flip it over, straighten that out a little bit so that it doesn't catch anything and cut anyone, and we'll bolt it back on. Yeah.
Do you want me?
No, it's too... Come off, isn't it?
That's just going to go through the metal. Have you got another 22? Oh. Oh.
Fucking hell.
Yeah, I mean that's coming through the metal.
Watch your fingers, because that's going to come down and track your fingers. Yeah. No, just let me do it.
Well, that's what I was worried about. It's coming.
It's not turning on this side. Resorting to violence. If I can get it on. I'm just going to have to cut it off. I found it's not as big, but it'll have to do. until we can get some more bolts. I mean, I'll have to look and see how much these pieces are, or if it's just going to not be worth it and get a new mower. Oh God, we don't want to be doing things like that. The persuader. Hey, 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 hey. Obviously not built to last, are they? Let's flip it over. Right. Second hole from the bottom. Into there. Ow. What's that? It's bloody sharp. That can go on. Right, whistle that up in a second. It's going to rattle and vibrate a bit, but that'll have to do. Anyway, I'm going to go and do the other side now, and that will be this job done. Moment of truth time. I've been cutting the grass, it's working. It does need new blades, but yeah, let's see what it looks like. It's cutting the grass. We're not digging up the turf anymore. So yeah, it's working. We're not digging the grass up. It does need new blades, so I'll look into those. I'll price them up. I had a bit of a job getting the bolts out for these guides. Hopefully they'll last another 6 years. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and catch you next one. Bye for now.